Alright guys, so we're going to check on this electric fence. Sounds like it's clicking away pretty hard. I don't have a meter to check it. I got this little solar panel to help it keep charged, or to last longer anyway, without me having to swap the batteries out. I did put another battery on charge, but I can tell right there these little doodads broke. So it's not going to be hitting as hard as it should. Let's see if I got any. I might have to run down the store and get some. So I ran down to the store, local store, and got these doodads. So just to have those around, really. This is what I wanted though. This little corner post wrap, I guess. So let's go install a couple of these. I reckon one of the most important things to do when you're working on an electric fence is to unplug the fence. And we are not clicking, so that's a good sign. Alright, so the closest place, without cutting the wire, I had to unhook down here and slide these over. I'm sure for my purposes, cutting the wire wouldn't be a big ordeal. I don't have it super duper stout, but I'd rather not cut it. So we're gonna unwrap it, slide these over it, wrap it back up, put them in place. Now that they're on there, we'll just slide them down here to the other end. Unhook. Unhook. Slide them past. Rehook. Maybe with two hands. All right, and that's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna go see if I need to install any more before I try tightening this back up. You can see we've got some vines wrapping up around it and everything. So I'll go through and clear all this out real quick. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. I think I got everything hooked back up. All these are on there. Get all the weeds off of it. Sounds like it's hitting. I'm gonna go with it, sounds like it. I had momentarily thought about grabbing that dude and just seeing, you know, if it was shocking or not. Thought about it for a second.